Guys, this is a legendary 4x4 monster truck. This thing is robust. Check it out. Whoa, boom. Oh yeah. Ready for action? Boom, boom, boom. Forward, back. This thing has so much power. Watch. Go back, go back. Watch. It's crazy, right? It has so much power. It's so much force. It's like a crazy. Oh! It's just so fast. This thing is so fast. Literally, it can do a wheelie if you go fast enough. Look. It's kicking out dirt. I mean, watch it run on the sand right here. Watch. You can turn it left and right here. Yeah. It's crazy. It's a crazy beast, right? Here we go. Whoa. That's so fast. It's so fast. Hang on. Let me turn around right here. You can go left, right, like that. Watch. So much performance. Oh, whoa. You see that flip? Watch. This is backwards. Oh, it's a beast. Where's this? Hang on. Watch out. Whoa! What, did you see that? This is a beast. Right there. Wow! It's a monster. This thing is so much fun, dude. Whoa! It's madness. So much. Well, when it flips itself, too bad. But it's so robust, you can flip it back, and you're ready to rock and roll again. I mean, wow, this thing has so much power. It's awesome, guys. This thing is so much fun. The legendary 4x4 monster truck. This thing is legendary. It's awesome. Remote control. It's built like a tank. It can handle it. The legendary 4x4 RC truck. 30 miles per hour, 30-minute runtime. This thing is so powerful. Ah, yeah.